Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate this high school yearbook photo using your photos on CapCut PC. So get your photo and then you're just going to go to AI Stylize and you're going to select Style. Then you're going to select AI Photo and you're going to select the USID photo one. There's two, there's one for the girl and one for the guy. You're just going to select it and wait for it to process, and that is pretty much it. You can use any photos that you'd like to. Make sure the face is clear and facing forward so it doesn't look weird. But yeah, I'm just waiting for it to load. It does take a long time to process because there we go. But yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.